It's common at this time of the year for children to be affected by various cold and flu viruses. CHEO is currently experiencing a typical increase in the number of children and youth arriving at the hospital's emergency department. During many periods each day, the wait time for minor to more severe complaints can be quite long. Seriously ill patients continue to be given priority and are seen ahead of children with minor complaints.
We're seeing many children with early signs of common cold or early influenza or stomach flu, as well as children with minor problems such as earaches, eye infections, and other minor complaints.
We invite parents and caregivers to consider other healthcare options for mild illness and injury before making your way to CHEO's emergency department. There are several local community resources available to answer questions you may have regarding your child's health. They include the City of Ottawa Multilingual Health Information Line, which can be reached by dialing 613-580-6744, extension 28020. This information line is available Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. A public health nurse will answer your call. The Provincial Telehealth Ontario line is a free bilingual health advice phone service available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. You can speak to a telehealth registered nurse by dialing 1-866-797-0000. In the province of Quebec, you can dial 811 to reach a registered nurse at InfoSanté, a free health advice phone service available 7 days a week, 24 hours a day.
So children who are having more serious symptoms or seem to not be improving should be considered for assessment at the hospital rather than being seen in the community. Things to watch for, including children who are having difficulty breathing, seem confused or very lethargic and difficult to rouse, are not taking fluids well or not urinating after an 8-hour period, or continue to have symptoms that are worsening despite the basic care that you're providing. So it's important to remember that while your child is sick, they are contagious to other people that get them sick too. So we encourage you to keep your child home from school or from daycare while they're ill, and to practice good hand hygiene and cough etiquette, and teach your children how to do that as well. That will help prevent the spread of illness.
Remember, above all, trust your instincts and don't hesitate to bring your child to CHEO for medical help if you think they need it.